Dear friends, dear brothers and sisters, dear lovers and defenders of education and culture, this morning I want to share with you a remedy that can be used to make some medicine against cold. As you can see, as you can hear from my voice is broken because I am having a cold. Normal thing is that when we have a cold, the first thing that we have to do is to keep ourselves warm, protecting ourselves properly, but also to drink hot liquids and regularly, only hot things, avoiding cold things. I have here some ingredients that I'm going to use to make that drink. We have ginger, we have garlic, we have onion, and we have lemon. I would have loved to have two lemons. We have also honey, and then a bottle of water. I'm going to use that to make the drink, to fight against cold and to fight against cold in with natural things that we have in the kitchen. So we are going to see how that is done. So the only thing is to have all these things available, have them cleaned, peeled, the ones that need to be peeled, and then cut into little pieces, and then blend. We have to cut because to make sure that the blending is done properly. So that is that. When you have blended everything, you warm water, you put it in the mixture that you have blended. No, you says you boil water and you put it in the mixture that you have blended, and then you sift it before you put the honey. Then you take as regularly as possible when you have the discomfort, when you feel like that, and when it gets cold, before you take, if you have the possibility, warm it again. Go and take the quantity you need, warm it, and then you drink. Thank you. You can see we have mixed. The mixture is here. We pour the water, the boiled water. When we would have finished this, the next step will be to filter. When you filter it, and then we will add the squeezed lemon, the squeezed lime or lemon, and then the honey. In this pan, we have also a paste of the one that we had done before. We preserved it because we didn't want to waste it. So we are going to pour it and mix it in the, we are going to put it in the, mix it with the new one. Since it was already congelated, that's why it's making that sound. So we are going to mix. We'll squeeze the lemon with this squeezer, juicer, manual juicer that we have. It would have been good if there were 2 lemons, as I said already. So here we have the juice. It's not much, but we will use it when we filter. Now, this is the sieve, and we are going to add seed. We are doing this to make it to pass, the water to pass, so that the chaffs should remain. So after that, I'm pressing the chaffs so that all the juice should pass through. I'll put it here so that the next batch will be easy to pass through. We have filtered somehow. Now we want to do the final filtering with a smaller sieve. Here we have the lemon juice. We'll mix it with it, and then the honey. This is 1.5 liters. I'm going to put 2 spoonfuls of 3 spoonfuls of honey. Well, you can put the quantity you want, the quantity that corresponds to you, that is nice for you. It's just for taste, and also it helps soothe the neck and calm the cold. So that is it. Thank you. Enjoy, try it, watch the video, share it, like it, comment, and then try it as well and see how it goes for you. This is the fruit of what we have been doing. They are already in bottles, and you can see the one in the cup is the one I'm going to take immediately. As I said, take it as often as possible. Warm it each time you have the possibility of having it warmed before you drink, and that will be nice. In a short while, your voice will come back to normal. You will no longer be coughing. Your sneezing will reduce, and then you will be cleared of the cold that you have. Take care. Thank you. Have a nice day.